Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need the right role and a clear data source before you begin. Once you've confirmed admin or dashboard creator access, open Servicenow's Dashboards module and choose Create New. Name the dashboard clearly and set visibility, private or shared with specific groups, so you won't redo permissions later. Make sure to select the correct application scope and baseline layout now. This avoids restructuring mid-build. You'll save time by preparing saved reports and filters ahead of the widget step, which we'll add next. Start by picking a layout that fits the audience: grid for mixed content, responsive for multiple devices. Then add widgets. Choose report widgets for tables and charts, performance analytics for trends, or the indicator widget for KPIs. For each widget, point it to a saved report or table and set filter conditions. This reduces query load and keeps data relevant. Once added, tune display settings, chart types, and refresh intervals. Make sure to preview the dashboard on different screen sizes to confirm alignment and readability. Finish by setting sharing and role access, schedule exports if stakeholders need PDFs or CSVs, and save a version copy before you exit. Validate that numbers match source reports and that widgets load quickly. Slow widgets usually indicate inefficient queries or missing indexes. If something breaks, first check ACLs and scoped application permissions, then inspect report query limits and clear instance cache. If a widget shows no data, confirm filters and the source report run successfully outside the dashboard. That usually reveals the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.